Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kushi Yogalaya. In this video, we'll learn to do the balancing yoga posture Natarajasana. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please click on the bell icon and subscribe. So let us know the meaning of Natarajasana. Natarajasana consists of three words, Natya, Raja and Asana. This pose is dedicated to King of Dance who is Lord Shiva. Now let us know the steps involved in Natarajasana. To do Natarajasana, first stand in Tadasana, breathe normally. Now slowly bend your right leg, grab your right ankle, raise your left arm up. Now bend forward, keep raising your right leg up. Now your left arm is parallel to the ground and the right thigh is parallel to the ground. Stay there as long it is comfortable. Now slowly you can release the posture. So once done, you can do same thing on other side for the same duration. Now grab your left ankle, raise your right arm up, inhale, exhale, bend forward. Now your right arm is parallel to the floor and the left thigh is parallel to the floor. Hold the posture as long it is comfortable. Slowly release. Back to Tadasana. Now let us know the benefits of this posture. This pose strengthens leg muscles, improves shoulder and spinal flexibility, enhances concentration, facilitates fat loss, strengthens core muscles. Thank you for watching the video.